Hey everyone, Dale here with Renewable Innovations, and we're in for a great treat today in reference to the federal investment tax credit. So you've probably heard about the federal solar investment tax credit, better known as the ITC or FTC. It's one of the biggest incentives for going solar, giving you 30% of your installation costs back in the form of a tax credit. But here's something you might not know. There's a company claiming they can actually buy your unused solar tax credits and give you cash for them right now. That company is called Midas Wealth. And on the surface, it sounds like a pretty sweet deal. You can't use your credits? They'll take them off your hands for a discounted price, give you money up front, and then use those credits with their own clients or sell them to high income taxpayers who can make full use of them. Now, for this to make sense, we need to back up for a second and talk about how the ITC works. If you don't know, or if you don't have enough taxable income to use all of the credits in the year you go solar, you can carry them forward for up to 5 years. But that doesn't help everyone, especially retirees, people with lower incomes, or anyone who's had a dip in their income in general. For some, those credits just sit there and eventually they expire. That's where an offer like this starts to sound tempting. Midas Wealth isn't just one trick pony either. They also handle wealth management, retirement planning, and advanced tax strategies. That gives them at least one or some credibility in navigating complicated financial transactions. And to add some extra star power, they've teamed up with Kevin O'Leary, Mr. Wonderful from Shark Tank. In their videos, he talks about how practical the concept is. And look, O'Leary, known for being selective, if he's attaching himself and his image to something, it's going to get attention. But just remember, celebrity endorsements are great for visibility, not necessarily a guarantee of how it will work out for you. We've seen that in the crypto world. This isn't the same thing, I don't believe. So what's the upside if you're considering it? The obvious one is cash in hand right now. You don't have to wait years to maybe use those credits. Your taxes get simpler too. You're not tracking credits year over year. And for someone who knows they won't use them, well, it can feel like found money. But there are risks. The IRS doesn't usually let you transfer or sell personal tax credits. It's not a common practice, and it sits in a gray area, we could say. You could also be selling them for far less than their actual value if you could somehow use them yourself. And like anything in the tax world, the rules can change fast. Something allowed today might not be allowed tomorrow. If that risk makes you hesitant, there are still other ways to make use of your credits. You can carry them forward for up to 5 years. You could avoid the tax credit game entirely by going with a lease or power purchase agreement, which gives you the savings without the ownership, or you could work with a tax professional to help you maximize your credits through smart income planning. At the end of the day, selling your solar tax credits through a company like Midas Wealth could be a win for certain homeowners, especially with the tax credit expiring later this year, December 31st, 2025. There won't be a tax credit. And according to Midas Wealth, all you need to do is have the system installed and received permission to operate to make claim to their offer. But it's not a universal solution. The smartest move is to talk to a certified tax professional before you sign anything. We're not tax advisors here at Renewable Innovations, but we can help you with the solar side, understanding your options, whether it's to own it, pay cash, finance it with a loan, or look at a power purchase agreement from EnFin, one of our trusted partners from Axia by QCell. Well, they're part of the QCell family in general. So we're here to help you navigate this space as the best of our abilities. and your options and get you the most from your system. If you're thinking about going solar or just want to explore your options, you can book a consultation at reinnovations.org/book online. So go ahead, use that link down in the description below, check it out. We've also written up a nice article on this Midas Wealth offering. So go read that. That's on our website under Insights. We're here to help you make the most of your investment. And if you were on the fence about making the switch to clean renewable energy and that tax credit was something holding you back, maybe this is the solution that you've been looking for. And we're here to help you figure that out. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.